I'm working on the suspensions of this 2006 Toyota Sienna, the four legs. So it includes actually changing the shock absorbers, linkage, and the rest, and it also includes changing this drive shaft. I got this drive shaft used. This is not brand new. The brand new one, the customer cannot afford it, so we got to get this one used, and I include changing the shock. But I've already changed the shock absorbers and the rest, and the low arm. I changed the bushing for the low arm. So about changing this shaft, and this is what got me saying I have to record this to help my other mechanics out there. This bearing here, this one here, is usually stuck. To get it out is very difficult. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I'm going to get this one out. All right, so for this, what we'll do first is we'll loosen this bolt. After loosening this bolt, because this guy is stuck, we would have to use touch to touch it. Have to heat it up seriously, so this guy will be free. So we'll touch it properly, make it very hot. Although I've used my plier here to take out these clips here. So once it's very hot, I would this one out here. I'll set it to this place here and try to this is the extent at which this thing has come out here. So all I have to do now is just convince it out like this, and you can see it's out of the gearbox now. So I'll be replacing the new one into it now.